Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have WhatsApp application and I'm going to show you how can you easily add contact. So to add contact, at first we have to click send message and here we have to click new contact. Here as you can see we can insert first name and last name. Here we can change our contact country. And here we have to insert his or him or hers number, phone number. And after that we have to click save. And as you can see, our contact is now over here. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.